You're 50. Half your life's journey is mapped, career peaks scaled, family rooted, but the appetite for risks has faded. Now one slip and your entire future could crumble to dust. I'm not being dramatic. It's math. Compound interest works on profits, sure, but it amplifies your follies too. I've witnessed depressions, bubbles burst, and now I say, after 50, forget the glamour. The winning game is defense. Dodging destruction is your sharpest strategy. Let's unpack this truth, so your retirement doesn't end up as a casino wager. I'm Charlie Munger, and in a life spanning over a century, I've learned one thing by 50. Life's big decisions are done. Career tracks set, family foundations laid, and risks. They're now like gambling your retirement foolish. In youth, risks pay off with time to rebound. After 50, time turns foe. Folks chase Tesla dreams or crypto gold, but that's just noise. The real play is survival, sans catastrophe. I saw the Great Depression. Smart people ruined by borrowing. Bad trusts or assuming good times eternal. It repeats every generation. Faces shift, stupidity doesn't. So, my top investment mantra for 50 plus, ditch offense, embrace defense. Your 20s, 40s were for gambles with recovery windows. Now, the clock ticks mercilessly. Midlife hits, and people behind feelings drive hot stocks or quick rich traps. Result, broke before retirement plan escapes their lips. Take this example. A 55-year-old Ivy League grad, thriving career, felt trailing peers, so late 90s .com startup swallowed his fortune. By 2002, half gone. Rest of life? Muttering what could have been, irony. Parking in Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson, boring. Trusty would have sufficed. No flash but secure. Sometimes secure is plenty. Those over 50 often forget. True foe isn't lag, it's calamity. Lose half at 30? 30 years to rebuild. At 60, maybe not 30 left to live. Grim but real. Shift from clever to not stupid. And dodging stupidity. A full-time gig, so unicorn hunts? Over? Room's smartest guy? Often bankrupt or divorced. Goal now, resilience, outliving errors. As I quip, I just want to know where I'll die. Though I never go there. In investing, spot wipeout paths, steer clear. What to avoid after 50? Leverage, debt, poison. No decades to repay. Speculation, can't outtrade the 25-year-old glued to 6 screens. Complexity, trickier the deal, higher the you're the mark odds. Keep it dull. Dull compounds, dull secures nights. Finance punishes thrill. Paradox, less exciting post-50 investments. Thrilling retirement odds soar. Don't chase quick riches, aim to not die broke. Envy's trashed more portfolios than recessions. Folks go bust not from low earnings, but intolerance for others' gains. Envy, dumbest deadly sin, no fun. Greed, spending joy. Gluttony, feasts. Envy, pure bile. Neighbor's flashy car, feels essential. Brother-in-law's 10-bagger, your steady compound looks like folly. In the 90s, Warren and I stuck to dull, insurance, candy, furniture. Silicon Valley kids minted billions from vapor. We seemed fools till 2000's bubble popped. Mockers broke, we thrived. Lesson, not beating others, it's not losing yourself. Envy erases that. A golf buddy oils to riches. One lawyer levered in, market dipped, portfolio vaporized. Buddies lost too, but had careers. He, retirement dread, post-50 envy, deadly. One move erases decades' patience. Top investors, zero neighbor watching. Hot stock brags, CNBC screams, they solvent compound in silence. Irony, happy old age, cheer friends wins. Envy sours on others' highs. 80, seething at bigger homes. Life's waste. I've outlived richer folks. They gambled long-term losers. I stayed dull, rational, kicking. Bankable advice for 50 plus. Quit hauling others' earnings. Ditch neighbor portfolio comparisons. Skip financial gossip scrolls. Envy doesn't enrich, smarterize, or motivate. Just shoves to stupid calls. Retirement cares not if another's richer. Family, grocery, nah. Ego does, and ego's bankrupted more than bear markets. Envy's no sin. Rotten strategy. Skip it. My mistakes? More useful than wins. Decades back bought a firm sans deep future grasp. Paper cheap, clean numbers, solid management. But model, shallow dive. Quick profit, sold early. Held with patience, net worth doubled. Fault, mine, discipline drought. Most sell winners premature, hug losers eternal. Reverse, grip greats, hold tight. Human nature tugs wrong, craves certainty. Upward spike, lock gains, feel safe. But 70s modest Coca-Cola pop? Selling wasn't safe. Stupid. It compounded decades. Regret, energy sink. Rule, great business. Park it. News temps, elections, wars, inflation, noise. Good biz survives, great thrives. Post 50, crucial, no 40-year bailouts. Wrong exit shrinks nest egg forever. Dividend stalwart held decades, then disruptor newsletter sways, dumps J&J for tech IPO. Years on, income dries, account bleeds, error, not future fail, impossible, abandoning winners for excitement. Take away, riches from endurance, not dazzle. Don't echo my slip post 50, 20-year earner business. Cling. Market rewards patient, not excitable. I wealthied via consistently not stupid, not brilliance chase. Older I get, clearer. Folks overtrust selves, markets punish. 30s, prosperity gone forever, cash hoard, missed rebound. 60s, big firms, eternal high compound, ignored vals, 70s crushed. 2000s, tech forever up, end known. Confidence feels good, correlates zilch with right. Most cocksure, heaviest losers. Reality, world too tangled for omniscience. Wealth from knowing limits, dodging unknowns, not know-it-all illusions. Berkshire with Warren, skipped thousands, ungraspable, missed little. World pitches plenty, no all-swing mandate. Investors opine everything, oil, rates, startups, 90% bunk. Post 50, lethal, error margin slims. Half-baked bet, market unforgives. LA lawyer currency expert. Yen heavy against articles hunch. Retirement nuked, not yen's wild, duh. His predict confidence. Irony, dunno. Plus boring, fine. Folks prefer loud wrong over wise quiet. Advice, I don't know courage. Rare gold. Admit ignorance, no nonsense bets. Stick to competent circles. Berkshire, grasped insurance, Coke, seize, bought, airlines.coms, past, habit dodge disasters galore, overconfidence slays more than slumps, not market, your superior knowledge mirage. Post 50 heed, no oracle act, no every sector opinions, master a few, blank the rest. Further, future certain voices, flee fast, analysts, pundits hawk surety. When it implodes, your port, their bill, yours. Next predict itch, what if I just don't? Retirement saver, life's chasm, employee mindset versus owner. Titles pay, irrelevant, it's headspace. Smarties play promo, title, perk games. Boss curry years, resume polish over wealth build. Careerism trap, world envy driven, careerism feeds it. Cubicle peer fancier title, burn. But titles don't compound, ownership does. Berkshire, no importance chase. Owned sleep earners, seize Coke insurers. Checks came, titles nil. Lawyers, bankers, execs, ladder climbed. High pay, zero ownership. Stop showing, money stops. Rich wage slaves, not owners. Post 50, quit hour dollar trades. Energy ebbs, health wanes, treadmill halts. Own non-work earners, renting realty, dividend stocks, biz stakes. No, not investing, career extension. Careerism fogs judgment. Employees boss please, owners reality survive. Post 50 harsh, high pay paycheck life, wrong game over optimized. Good news, pivotable. Titles, pfft. Peers thoughts, ignore. Ownership, prioritize. No quit tomorrow, redirect energy capital to outlasting assets. Buy dull durables, underspend. Procter shares, no claps, but 20-year payouts when cheers fade. Careerism wilts, ownership compounds. At 70, what endures? Choose. Great Depression, unforgettable scar. Born 24, boyhood economy imploded. Banks bust, biz folded, families starved. Today's 10% dip, volatility. 32, 90% peak plunge, annihilation. Men livelihoods lost, families crammed rent-free. Mine, dollar stretched. Lesson, good times no eternal, prosperity no default, civilizations crest crash, economies feast, famine. Long enough? Both witness. Depression drilled reality respect. Optimism okay, blind slays. 20s, endless boom faith, borrowed, speculated, leveraged to void. Crash, debt demolished, hence debt despise, debtless, bad times weatherable, indebted, fatal. Resilience trumps brilliance. Frugal, adaptable, small dulls survived. Scheme clever vanished overnight. Survivors? No Einsteins, just tough. Investors still miss. Clever covet, durable dodge. Yet durability bridges once in lifetimes. Investing carryover. No recession predict, impossible. Assume, prep. Safety margins, no leverage. Evergreen sellers, candy, soda, insurance. These marked choco profits. Laughs, recessions. More choco eaten. Flash crushed, we endured. Hardships tuition. Post-50 prime, no depression redo. Portfolios resilience tuned, not fantasy. Leverage brags. Recall 32, soup lines for smarts. Human nature static. Decades, greed, debt, endless booms. History learn, humility, memory suffice. My success? 3 habits, debt dodge, drama dodge, fool dodge. No spells, just subtractions. Debt discipline killer, folly magnifier. Bad times, inevitable. First wiped. 30s home borrows. Crash, everything lost. Image seared. Berkshire debt-free, could have juiced. But wrong bet broke us like rest. Solvency, clever look. Post-50 debt, lethal. 30, maybe recover. 60, over. Drama, intolerated. Needless scraps, feuds, chaos addicts. Energy waster, clear think, build, enjoy sap. Smarts ruined by divorces, partnerships, temper, not bad bets. Personal chaos bankrupts finance. Fools, not low IQ. Reckless, dishonest, shortcut junkies. Contagious radiation. Proximity, fallout catch. Early career, slick promise partners dragged smart pals to collapse. Rule, fewer finer allies. Warren 50-year, shared tenets, rationality, patience, honesty. Durability's glue. Most underplay wrong avoid. Hunt right, stock, deal up, ignore no. Yes, one yes. Gains, wrong yes. Eternal ruin. Post-50, non-negotiable, error margin 0. Ruthless cuts, no debt drama fools. Harsh, peace buys, peace extra yields. Wealth, brilliance builds not. Discipline preserves. Discipline? Temptation walkaways. Warren partnership romanticized? Nah, no billions chest tower. Discipline, temperament, fit. Total trust, no stabs, politics, jealousy. Rare biz, no scheme worries, efficiency boon. Org half energy internal bull, we skipped. Money view aligned, patience, reason, independence. Fashion wall saint approval. Zilch, senseless. Untouched mocks be damned. Compliment skills, Warren value spots. I cigar butt deterred, cheap crummy quick flips. Aimed quality fair hold, billions shift. Flops, people judges. Crook fool managers occasional. Screen all weaknesses. Can't irked. Character key. Wrongs cost. Behavior change tough. Paper fixables? Culture DNA rot? Wallpaper no fix, hard learned. Misses hindsight spectaculars past. Tech ungrasped, Warren I admitted. Caution cost upside billions, saved bigger blasts. Strength, knowledge bounds. Competence circle stick outside? Under Berkshire durability decoder. Post-50 partnerships, rationality amp or damp, stability or storm. Strengths boost or flaws flare. Wrong, decades wreck. Right, multiplies. And fit, not flash. Post-50 riches, less brilliant leaps, more fatal avoid. Survival strategy. Wealth build post-50, seen it, sans hot tips, 20s trades. Boring, steady, rational. Truth, no overnight doubles needed, just no self-nuke. Doctor example, 55, high-quality dividends funnel. Noise ignore, reinvest, underlive. 70, free-ish, debtless, income plush, comfy secure. Contrast, 52 sharp entrepreneur behind. Spec real estate max lever. Turn, 57 bankrupt. Gap, discipline. Paradox, post 50 win, no brilliance, just stupid stop. World's stupid buffet endless, crypto cons, day fads, exotic schemes. Rules, simple graspable own, spouse 1 min explain, probably not. Capital preserve, 60 lost dollar, 30s pricier, no decades rebound. Envy erase, risk double, fleeting, stand, don't chase. Defend, 7% 15-year compound. Post 50 miracle, doubles twice. No spectacular, solvent suffices, world endures rewards. I know billionaire plan, stupidity, dodged long enough, compound lifted, overshot. Post 50, too late, panic, chill. No reinvention, next big, patience, simplicity, durability, unglam, but works. Blunt finale, earn, spend, or unsavable. Me, Warren, smartest advisor. Kneel, arithmetic feelings, lifestyles, excuses ignore. Out, in, broke guaranteed. 6-figure earners, old penniless from all spend. Modest, simple investors, comfy died. Behavior, not smarts, just opportunity. Overspend, fastest plan ruiner. 25 or 65, Holdig, compound foes. Best investment my age? Quit unneeded crap. Solves half-world finance woe. Post 50. Stakes sharper. No infinite slips. No decade resets. Choices. Dignified retire or beg work to death. No clever trades. Restraint born. Debt cut, drama acts, fools shun, underlive. 90% money game beat. Long enough? Compound closes. Overspend? Forget. 70. Neighbor toy envy or freedom saver. Choice clear, execution rare. World stupidity avoid rewards over brilliance. Dumbest, spend to misery. That's it.